Today we are going to be doing a pick and cook. I know you are accustomed to hearing catch and cook, but I am going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be trying to pick a breadfruit, roast it. As you can see up there, what Kaden just showed you, there's a breadfruit tree there. Over there is full of breadfruit trees, but to be honest, it's not looking good in terms of having on breadfruit. But we are going to try and get one. We are going to roast it, and we are going to roast some chicken as well. So stay along and hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe. Okay, so let's begin gathering some sticks. Alright, nice dry sticks like these. And voila, just like that. Magic. Let's go and try to get some breadfruit now. Stick, that I already checked off the list. Breadfruit time, breadfruit time. Let's see what we can find. So there's a little breadfruit tree right down here. I'm going to see if anything is on it. While we were over on that side, I heard the breadfruit drop. So maybe it has on, maybe it doesn't. I'm not too sure. You might not be able to see me, but you might be hearing me. I'm at the breadfruit tree here now, and well, I'm not seeing anything. Young. Well, those are our two breadfruits we saw from afar. We thought they were full of, but yeah, they are really young.
And there's still a bark for the mother.
I'm gonna see that one more.
Nature.
Is that here, right?
Ah, boy. And the young is to the pine tree.
Young is two. And because young, nobody not pick them yet. So you know that the young two are they?
Yeah. Oh.
Right above you, they. What that? Yeah. You can't believe that breadfruit over here. Bây giờ chú nào sao mình pick one? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I have to come down somehow to there.
I'm sure how I can get on it.
You pull here, Trace. Careful, catch here. Right. I'm not going to pick all. Just a bunch of go.
Oh, bunch on the wrong.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Alright. I will left somebody with two. Go on.
Walk with sugar. Make juice.
He said, I did. Look at that. Freshly picked lemons. So these are going to be used to squeeze onto the chicken.
That's extra flavor. Natural.
Because how it looking so far, like we're not getting any breadfruit, so it seems like we're only eating chicken today. We already checked them out, three, and no breadfruit. Well, one have a young one, the other two don't have none at all. These two here, just leaf, plenty leaf. Yeah, he come like he sees it on gone, and I'm gonna come back in soon again.
You see one now?
A good one?
Nah, hold on, like. One honey breadfruit don't buy but.
Oh, a young one.
Are they young too?
A small one, Mr. That, yeah, good one.
Oh, well, unfortunately, we have checked about 5 breadfruit trees, and up to now we can't find a good roasting one. So it seems like we are going to have to be eating the chicken alone. So we are going to go roast the chicken. Because if you have a look at this tree right behind me, all this has is leaf, just leaf. I can't see one breadfruit on it. And then if Kaden turn the camera around to the other 2 trees behind, all we see is leaf also. So I guess breadfruit is out of season. So let's go roast some chicken.
The calendar to know which is which and when breadfruit season coming.
Someone beat us to the punch. They already picked off all.
Because Some people just come and pick 3, 4, 5, 10 sacks. Full.
One time. So good news on our way back up to roasting the chicken. We looked up and saw 2 breadfruit. Bad news is the bamboo rod too short. Look. So still back to square one again.
Maybe that's one or not. Oh, right in between here. The thing with straight in.
You gonna reach?
Oh!
Zoom up on the Katie.
Oh, you got enough?
Oh yeah, Hank, you gonna reach, you know, if I force up. Come a little taller than you, we go try and see. Now gas up in the fancy. Me go for them. If I get out lucky.
Let me help you.
Okay, yeah, go man.
You're my top.
So this is how we insert the knife into the bamboo, so it makes it easier to pick the breadfruit. Just cut the stem and down. Then we use a piece of string like this and it bun it up real good. This stops the knife from falling out.
Moving.
Yeah.
So let's pull downwards with force now. Off came the fruit that we have to eat.
You know, go right?
Yeah, but lad,
Oh.
you have to come up on me.
Alright.
Wrap them around the other way and tie them again.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah!
Now
Time pick. I'm going to start the whole area, see how much breadfruit I can find.
Now find one.
yeah man, Hank, can move the down output.
Okay, pull. Hand.
Oh. Ah, I have it. Right. Finally. All right. So look at this, man.
Good roasting breadfruit.
After all, we finally got one. Really good roasting breadfruit. I mean, it needed like 1 day in the sun, but it will work if I will be the sun today.
I have some mark.
Oh yeah.
And take out the stem and have a stick inside.
Yeah.
Mother Nature has blessed us. Yeah. Hey, your mama go ready if it's your sweet.
Careful there.
Jesus.
Right here.
How you want tea? So,
Five black bags not there, right? Put a piece different.
the knife thing there, so you're careful. Hey. How we left to go? Okay, I know them are drop wood.
For the coconut fiber, I will dry.
Okay. Fireman, find a reamer. Pick up. Oh, that is some more liquor one. To make it easier to cook. So they heat up in the heart.
Why if I did it?
Okay, I just put an olive oil now. There you are. Jesus. Alright. Me put them on now, eh? Lunch up. Right now we are building our very own homemade grill. Well, not homemade, bushmade. See? You're going to run 2 sticks across just like that now and then there you have it. Your own grill.
Let me get this here.
That's our homemade zinc, fellas.
You notice how we went up, bro? Right, put my wood back here so it go so. So pack all that so. You come forward. Alright. Pause please. Whoa. Good fire, boy.
You don't have zoom.
But I don't have smoke. Look, it is still a bit icy.
Boy, your camera bad, I don't know.
You know, go sit your carry.
No shit, and just now. I seasoning of one after now.
Fish?
Next video, hopefully.
You know what we call this? This is what we call the farm. Grill farm.
You don't move the time, right? Move? That's it.
Okay. That's a machine.
And I would just dip and eat in that time.
Yeah, but me just put it
Oh. You see that? That is how you peel a roast breadfruit. Hopefully it is sweet. See smoking out. Jesus, what that's ugly. Oh, we daddy throw chicken in?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
But you must see how hungry it is for today.
Well, the man want that.
That's what I call cutting out the guts, the heart of the breadfruit.
Let me farm boss and eat again.
Let me find one this now. Seafood, man. Look at this coconut bowl. Take my breadfruit, put it in this side. And take 2 pieces of chicken. Yeah. Oh.
And to start for the top.
I bush them now.
Yeah.
We do the one again.
Plantain. Alright, so that's it. We're just gonna continue eating now, and hope you guys enjoy this video and see you in the next one.